In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text around an image on Shopify to create a cleaner and more professional page layout. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then select Pages. Next, open an existing page or click Add Page to create a new one. In the page editor, click the Insert Image button and upload or select the image you want to use. After adding the image, click on it and choose Edit Image. Look for the Wrap Text option and enable it. This allows your text to flow neatly around the image instead of appearing above or below it. Now enter or edit your text in the content area. The text will automatically wrap around the image, creating a more visually appealing layout. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save to publish your changes. That's it. You've successfully wrapped text around an image on Shopify. Thanks for watching.